Meaning of hidden agenda.
Hidden agenda.
Hidden agenda.
Hidden agenda.
Hidden agenda. Hidden agenda typically refers to an ulterior motive or secret plan that is not disclosed to others. It suggests that the person or group involved has something to gain, or a specific outcome in mind, which may not be in line with the publicly stated goals or objectives. This can lead to mistrust and suspicion. The hidden agenda may be concealed for a variety of reasons: to gain an advantage over others, to avoid confrontation, or to maintain power or control. It is important to be aware of hidden agendas in order to make informed decisions and avoid being manipulated.